Oh, hello everyone. Myself Saurabh Mandal, and this is another video in my YouTube channel. That is, today we will discuss about the basic concept of thermodynamics. And this channel is only for those people who is doing his diploma from mechanical background. And in this channel, you will get all the syllabus regarding the AE and JE examinations. So today we will discuss about the basic concept of thermodynamics. What is the concept of thermodynamics? We will discuss into this uh, minutes of meeting or session, whatever you want to say. So the topics to be covered, which type of topics we will cover, and to this, these are the points that is basic introduction of thermodynamics. Means what is thermodynamics, how you can define the thermodynamics, we will discuss about that. Then another one thing is system, surrounding and boundary. What is system, what is surrounding and what is boundary. Then type of system, how many types of system are there, and types of equilibriums also, and properties of the system also. So the first one thing that everybody knows about the what is the full form of SOM. SOM means strength of material, and mechanics means study of forces in which there is a matter. So means matter means materials, we can say, and that has categorized in solid and fluid also. Solid has also categorized in two different types, that is rigid and deformable, and fluid also has a categorized in two different types, that is gases and liquid also. So in which we will study of forces. So the first one thing uh, we have to acquire the knowledge how those type of subject, how the subject are defined. So we will understand. So whenever we will discuss about the study of forces in rigid solid, that means those subjects are called engineering mechanics. And whenever we will discuss about the deformable solids, so this whenever we will discuss about the deformable solid and study of forces in deformable solid, so that is strength of material. And in fluid we will discuss about either gases, the study of gases, study of forces in gases, so that is the thermodynamics, and study of forces in liquid, that is hydraulics. So that is the fundamental, that why this subject are required and what is the meaning of those subjected. I think you will understand easily in from this uh, presentations. Okay, so the first one thing, that is thermodynamics. Thermodynamics means that heat in a motion, the motion in heat in a motion is called a thermodynamics. Thermodynamics which will be made by the two words, that is therms and dynamics. We will easily understand why their meanings. Therm mean heats, okay, and dynamic means motions. So what is heat? Heat, the unit of heat, it is a joule, and motion which is unbalanced force, okay. So thumb means disorganized form of energy. जो the thumb which is the disorganized form of energy, and it's also thumb has categorized into heat which is disorganized form of energy, and heat is a low grade of energy, okay. And dynamics motion, then unbalanced force, then work done. Okay, this is a organized form of energy. Work is a organized form of energy. What I am saying, you can here easily understood that the work done which is organized form of energy, and it's a high grade energy. So you have to acquire these things, and you have to know about this briefly, that heat which is disorganized form of energy, and it is also a low grade energy. Then also work done is also a organized form of energy, and work is also a high grade energy. That is a most important question, okay. So let's move forward for the next slide. So the first one thing, that is thermodynamics. What do you understand by thermodynamics? We have already discussed thermodynamics, which it is a branch of engineering, or it is a branch of science in which we deal with the energy and its interactions between system and surroundings. So what is system and surrounding, we will discuss into the next slide. The motive of thermodynamics, the main motive. What is the main motive? The main motive of thermodynamics, how to convert heat, means low grade energy into a work done, means high grade energy. Low grade energy, we will already know about that. We have already know about that heat is a low grade energy and work done into high grade energy. So how we will convert the heat in low grade energy to work done high grade energy with an efficient method, with an efficient way. So that is called, that is the main motive of the thermodynamics. We will discuss about thermodynamic system. uh, Here is the diagram of the system. You will easily understand of those things, which is, it is a piston. Okay, here you will understand from those drawings, you will definitely understand. System, it's a defined as any fixed mass or region in a space where we focus our study or concentration. So let's take an example in Hindi. जैसे कि अगर हमको कोई पानी है, पानी कंटेनर में रखा हुआ है, अब हम उसको गर्म करना है। सो गर्म करने के लिए हम हीटर लाएंगे। सो उस, हमको किसको गर्म करना है? हमको वाटर को गर्म करना है। सो वाटर को गर्म करेंगे तो हमारा फोकस कहाँ है? वाटर के पार्टिकल्स पर। सो व्हाट इज द सिस्टम? दैट वाटर इज द सिस्टम, you will easily understood. Then another one thing is surrounding. Everything outside of this system is called a surrounding. इसका भी एक हिंदी में मैं बहुत शानदार एग्जांपल देता हूँ. सराउंडिंग मीन्स कि हमारे आसपास जो भी है, सिस्टम के बाहर जो भी है, मीन्स कोई भी सिस्टम है, जैसे एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर और उसका एटमॉस्फेरिक सिस्टम है, और उसके आसपास मीन्स कोई बोतल है हमारी, और उसके बोतल के आसपास क्या होगी? बोतल के बाउंड्री, और बाउंड्री के आसपास का जो भी एरिया होगा, that is called as surroundings. Okay, then we will move forward to the any real. What is the boundary? Boundary is a real or imaginary surface which separates system and surrounding, called boundary. Boundary can be boundary can be rigid, fixed, or movable also. Okay, so we have already discussed about that boundary, which is the system, which is imaginary surface, and which is also separating the systems and surrounding, that is called a boundary. Okay, you will definitely understood what I will say, that you have to also revise this presentation again, so you will easily understand. Another one thing is types of the system. So type of the system, how many type of system? First one thing, first one, that is closed system, then open system, then isolated system, then impossible system. Mainly there are three types of system: closed, open, and isolated system. Okay, so in closed system, which is also called non-flow system and control mass system, means where the mass transfer is, it's not possible, but the energy transfer is possible. And example for that, closed water bottle, piston, cylinder without valve. Open system, that is called a flow system and control volume system, where the mass transfer and energy transfer both are possible. Then turbine, nozzle, pump, compressor, diffuser, etc. Then isolated system, which is closed and perfectly insulated, where the mass transfer it's not possible and energy transfer is also not possible. Perfectly insulated, thermos flask and universe also. Then impossible system, which is practically not possible, but we have identified that its mass transfer is possible but energy transfer not possible. It can be an ideal type of system which is not present in this universe. Okay, so this is all basic concept of the thermodynamics first lectures, and also I have started my YouTube channel, and this is a first video of my YouTube channel, so keep supporting on it. And thank you for, and we will discuss also about basic concept of thermodynamics in next presentation or next video. Okay, thank you all for watching. Do subscribe and like. Thank you all.